Shiba Inu coin whales are back and things are looking very good. Guys, it's not just Shiba Inu coin that's looking good. Go across the market today, everything is looking good. And check out Ethereum. Rolling up to 37.57 right now, ready to break through, ready to run, ready to hit that, well, I can't say all-time high, fresh high. I believe the all-time high is about $4,800, so we've got a long way to go for altcoins, and the statistics show that as well. Sitting at a level of 64 greed right now, we are nowhere near overheated. Altcoin season hasn't even officially begun. Now, we've tried to begin like 3 or 4 days now, crossing 50 and crossing back below. But my goodness, whales are silently loading up on Shiba Inu coin. We're going to talk a little bit about it in this video. We're going to be going over token 6900 in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, in the next 1 day and 7 hours, token 6900 is going to see its price increase once again. If at any time during this video you guys are interested in buying, you're going to connect your wallet. You get a link for it down in the description below. Now, I'd like to connect to your best wallet or trust wallet. You scan this QR code here, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. I'm going to talk a little bit more about this token in a second here, but let's go over some news for Shiba Inu coin. It says that Shiba Inu coin's market pulse. Is it a sleeping cat ready to pounce? As of late July, Shiba Inu coin trades near 1405 points per coin, sporting a market cap of about $8.28 billion and a healthy daily trading volume of 265 million according to CoinMarketCap. Over the past 7 days, Shiba Inu coins gained 7.7%, showing that despite market turbulence, it still has sharp claws. Now, why are analysts projecting a 330% run-up? That would be incredible. Now, I got a lot of Shiba Inu coin, and I would love to see it run. It says they point to 3 key drivers. I disagree with the first one, Shibarium's ecosystem expansion. Why? Why do I disagree with that? Because there's no part of Shibarium that creates demand for Shiba Inu coin. You do not need to own Shiba Inu coin to use any of the utilities on Shibarium. Please remember that. It says ongoing token burns and renewed whale interest. So let's just talk about the renewed whale interest because, yeah, I agree. The burn factor, a peanut-sized supply with a big cat energy, the burns are very low right now. Okay, the burns are not going to reduce the supply of Shiba Inu coin in any significant quantity, but it shows you that the community is interested. It shows you the community is committed, and that is exactly what you need to see for Shiba Inu coin to continue climbing. And finally, whales are back. Big players chasing bigger returns. It says data from whale stats reveals that Shiba Inu coin is back among the top 10 most held tokens by Ethereum whales. When big money flows in, retail traders tend to follow, driving up liquidity and price. Historically, whale activity has been a leading indicator of large moves for Shiba Inu coin, and this time looks no different. Guys, things are looking so good right now. Ethereum is on a strong move higher. It is bouncing back off of these very quick moving averages, and it is looking to break up to fresh highs. If it does, altcoin season will officially begin with levels above 50. If it does, we're going to see gains across the board. If it does, greed is going to rise and eventually hit extreme greed. Look, Google is telling you that more and more people are trying to figure out how to buy crypto. The brand new retail investors, this is good news, is what I was going to say, with brand new retail investors looking to jump in. Meme coin search volume right now rising sharply, but nowhere near all-time highs. Altcoins search volume exploding higher and expected in the coming week to hit new all-time highs. Guys, all of these indicators point towards gains, and one of the tokens that I have been loading up on is token 6900. Token 6900 is a pure meme coin. Now, you remember way back in the day, right? When Shiba Inu coin ran to it was $40 billion in valuation, right? At that point in time, Shiba Inu coin was not touting some huge and bloated ecosystem. Shiba Inu coin was not sitting and bowing down to the authority of Satoshi. Shiba Inu coin was simply a meme coin. A meme coin with a $40 billion valuation. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not claiming any utility. Dogecoin is claiming to be a meme coin. You remember when Pepe went from being worthless to $1 billion in 19 days? Slowed down a little bit, and then hit, what, a $10 billion valuation a few months ago? It didn't do it because it's got some sort of an ecosystem. It didn't do it because it's got some sort of utility. It did it because it claims to be, and it embraces its meme coin status. And that is exactly what token 6900 is doing. Now, I got a link for it down in the description. I'll let you guys roll through everything that you see here so that you guys can get all of the information and, of course, make a decision for yourself. But token 6900 is tiny, right? It's only going to have a hard cap of $5 million. So the price started at 0.64 cents. It's currently 0.6725 cents. It's going to end at 0.7125 cents. So understand that this is a very small coin. High risk, absolutely. High reward, absolutely. But it takes advantage of one of the biggest and fastest growing meme coins out there, SPX 6900. Guys, SPX 6900 crossed over $2 per coin today. All-time highs being hit with roughly a $2 billion valuation. Now think about that for a second. You're talking roughly 400x increases if token 6900 is able to reach those levels. We're talking about massive, massive growth here. You don't even have to hit a fraction of that for life-changing money. Now, it is a lottery ticket play, right? 400x increases are not expected overnight, but I do know that during bull markets, anything happens. People get very greedy, and they're willing to buy everything. And with that, we could see some speculative gains in meme coins across the board. So I'm loading up. I want to know if you guys are loading up down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.